Hi everyone, Ron Crider reporting for duty today. We're going to talk about the Comrex Device Manager and updating a Bric Link 2. And it's January the 12th, 2021. All these new changes here with Adobe going away. So here we go. We're going to go to the Comrex website. And here on the website, we're going to go up here on the top. Now, I couldn't find it very quickly, so I typed in Device Manager in the search little bar up there in the upper right-hand part of the screen. Put in Device Manager, and then it will go to the Device Manager page. And so what the plan here is that what we want to do is download the new, most recent Device Manager. Here we are on the Device Manager page. We're going to scroll down here, and here we go to the Device Manager. We'll scroll down to where it says that we want to use this on a Windows system. So we'll go here and download the new Device Manager. And you can see down there on the bottom left, it's currently being downloaded onto the computer. It's a pretty small program. It doesn't take a lot of time to download. And then what we'll do is we will unpack it. This is done pretty much in real time. I didn't do a lot of editing, although this entire video is only going to last about 6 minutes and 18 seconds. So we go find it in our downloads. I'm going to open it up here. Now we have to unpack it. Now here I have to tell my computer it's okay to do this. You probably don't have to do that on yours because you're probably up to date on yours. And then here you agree, and then you hit next for these various events relating to this. Next, next, and you'll see that it's loading. Okay, now that we have it on the computer, we're going to scroll down and find it as a program. And then I'm going to drag it over and put it on my desktop so I can get to it quickly when I want to be looking for some of these devices. And I'll just grab it and drag it over and place it on the desktop screen. And of course, I got to figure out where to put it. I'm going to actually put it right underneath this other app I have on there that takes us to the phone system, the stack phone system. Now, there we go. Now it's looking at all three of the devices that are in the computer because you hit scan disk and scan for devices. Now what I want to do is I want to update the Bric Link 2. So you click on the top button. It says it's going to give you that information. And now you'll notice across the bottom, you'll see the bottom of the screen, in the center of the screen, see the little green line there? This has been telescoped a little bit. And that shows you the progress of that. This couldn't be easier. This is a very easy way to do things. It's unbelievable. They've come up with ways to make this so simple compared to many other devices that we work on. Then, in addition to that, we're going to now update the actual device. And the device is now being updated. And you can see that taking place with a little green line that's moving across the bottom here. And as soon as that little line finishes, then it will check itself and make sure that everything that it loaded in got loaded in correctly so that the Bric Link 2 will function properly. And you do this exactly the same for Bric Link 1 and for the Access unit, all three of which are listed there. Now, at the present time, it's checking it. See how the little green line is blinking there, and it's checking to make sure that it did it correctly. This part is done in real time. So we updated, we got new Device Manager in the system now, and we have updated, I've updated all three units, the Bric Link, the Bric Link 2, and the Access unit. and it all has new current software in it, and it's all ready to go, and it doesn't need any help from Adobe to get anything done anymore. It's as simple as that. That's all you have to do to update your device manager, put a new device manager in for Comrex, or update your Bric Link 2 or your Access or your old Bric Link. All of this is done by Comrex, and I've worked with Paul up there, who's a great support guy, and I've also worked with Tony. Both of those guys are very, very good at what they do. Comrex offers terrific support. In case this video wasn't sufficient to help you out, if you like it, give me a like. I'd appreciate it. This is Ron Crider. Thank you so much for watching the video. Every time I come up with something that I need to figure out how to do myself, they show me, and then I make a video to remind myself and to remind you. Have a great day. Thank you again for watching.